Yeah. East side. Paramount though. Man, I trust nobody. Trust nobody. Out here every day trying to catch a fucking body. Trust no enemy. Trust no hoe. Only trust the weed, yeah, I love the fucking dro. Trust no bros, they turn into the foes. Cause money coming to the pictures, it's like whoa. It's like whoa, so I gotta move in slow motion. Making money every day, moving like the ocean. Niggas can't see me, like I always say. You niggas can't see me when I find out where you stay. I don't play, and I put you on your grave rock. And I dance every day cause you got shot. Money in my pocket, making money every day, you niggas better stop it. See anything, man, you know I'm gonna cop it. Man, I'm in my hood every day, I'm gonna rock it. And you know what I mean I'm gonna fly high, chase all the dreams. And I gotta chase my green too. Paramount the city, making all these bitches show me titties. And you know I show no enemies love. Yeah, I'm east side, so you know I'm a thug. Got the homies with me and we all wearing P hats. Making money every day and it's rat-a-tat. Yep, leave a nigga body missing. Never sneak dissing on a competition. Never that, there's no competition. You niggas ain't doing shit, there ain't no fucking mission. And you know I stay posted with my 38. Yeah, it's kinda great. Put it to your head, pop it like a grape. Niggas ain't ready, I never been fake. Cause I always stay real. Making money every day, you niggas know the deal. Niggas wanna talk, then I'm pulling out the steel. Man, you niggas wanna talk that shit, then I am real. Like I said anyways, I don't listen. See no enemies, fuck competition. I don't listen. See no enemies, you know I stay dissing. See the niggas straight from PV. But you niggas don't wanna fucking see me. All you niggas is some bitches you stay hiding. And you know I'm in your hood, I stay smiling. And you know I'm walking through your fucking park. And you wanna trip, I let my burn a fucking spark. Little David, you some motherfucking bitch. I heard your daddy got locked up, he was a snitch. Put that on the hood, when you see me it ain't good. Making money every day, just like I should. And you know I got my homies all rolling with me. Cause I rock the ESP, man I'm dropping anything. And I'm posted on my block with a 38. Like I said, making money, gotta get this bread. Tryna dodge all the fucking feds. But my niggas out here getting fed. Only trust one person, that's my mama. I only trust my mama cause she ain't with the drama. I kill you niggas like it was Osama Bin Laden, get it? Yeah, I shoot up pictures of dogs for practice. Niggas ain't ready, hit you hard, not a retard. Pop a nigga like it's Pop-Tarts.